we are going to discuss about APPSC Group 2 model paper of arithmetic and logical reasoning to solve the questions in the exam quickly. So let's start the session. This question is regarding time and work. A and B can do a piece of work in 72 days. B and C can do a work in 120 days. And A and C can do it in 90 days. In what time can A alone do it? A and B 72 days లో చేస్తే 1 day లో A and B ఎంత చేయగలరు? A plus B is equal to 1 by 72. Then B plus C is equal to 1 by 120. Then C plus A is equal to 1 by 90. So by adding these three, we'll get 2 into A plus B plus C, which is nothing but 1 by 72 plus 1 by 120 plus 1 by 90. So here we'll have the LCM 360, which is nothing but it will be 5 times, then it is 3 times, then it is 4 times. So the answer is 12 by 360, 1 by 30. So A plus B plus C is equal to 1 by 60. A ఎంత చేయగలడు, లైక్ ఎన్ని డేస్లో వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ చేయగలడు అనేది. ఏని ఉంచి వీ హ్యావ్ టు సబ్మిట్ B plus C. B plus C is 120, so we have to substitute that. A plus 1 by 120 is equal to 1 by 60. So A is equal to 1 by 60 minus 1 by 120. So here we have the LCM 120, 2 minus 1. So A is equal to 1 by 120. So answer is A can complete the work alone in 120 days. So the option is option 3. Let's move to the next question. So a train 110 meters long is running with a speed of 60 km per hour. In what time it pass a man who is running at 6 km per hour in the direction opposite to that in which the train is going? First we have to find out the speed. The relative speed would be, relative speed కావాలంటే we have to add the train speed and the man's speed because he's running in the opposite direction. So 60 plus 6 is equal to 66 km per hour. First we have to change this into the meter per second. So 66 into 5 by 18. Times 11 times. So answer is 55 by 3 meter per second. So here we have to find out in what time it pass a man. So we have to find what is the time. Time is equal to distance by speed. So distance is 110 meters. Then the speed is 55 by 3 meters per second. So 110 into 3 by 55. So 11 5s, 11 10s. So 5 2s. So 6 seconds is the answer. So the answer is 6 seconds. Next question is regarding ratio and proportions. If the two numbers are in the ratio 2:3 and the ratio becomes 3:4, when 8 is added to both the numbers, the sum of the two numbers is. It is quite easy. We have to add 8 to the both denominator and numerator. 8 is equal, and we have to make it equal to the ratio. 8x plus 32 is equal to 9x plus 24. So the x is equal to 8. So they have asked what's the sum of the two numbers. 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x, which is nothing but 5 into 8 is 40. So the answer is 40. Option 3 is the answer. Let's move to the next question. 1% of, this is a percentage question. We have to solve it. 1%. 1% is 1 by 100 into 1 by 100 into 25 by 100 into 1000 2 zeros, 1 0. Then we'll be left with 25 by 1000. So answer would be 0.025. Move to the next question. What sum of money invested for 3 years at 4% per annum shall be 1756 at the compound interest? As we all know, the formula for the compound interest is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. So here amount ichadu, so we have to make it equal to the amount, then we'll get the answer. What's the sum principal? 17576 is equal to principal into 1 plus rate of interest is 4 by 100, n is 3. This is 25. So P into 25, 26 whole cube. So principal ఏమవుతుంది 17576 into 25 into 25 into 25 by 26 into 26 into 26. We can cancel it. We'll get 17576. So it will get cancelled. Then we'll be left with 25 into 25, 3 25s. 25 whole cube would be 625 into 25, which is nothing but 15625. So answer is option 4, 15625. A and B together can complete a piece of work in 4 days. If A alone can complete the same work in 12 days, in how many days can B alone complete that work? So A and B can complete the work in 4 days. So 1 day efficiency of A and B is 1 by 4. So A's 1 day work would be 1 by 12. So for B we have to subtract this A plus B, and we have to subtract this A plus B from A. So we'll get 3 minus 1, 2 by 12, which is nothing but 1 by 6. So 6 days will be the answer. Then moving to the next question. This is regarding averages. So they have given there are 100 students in the class. Then they have given number of boys is 10 more than the number of girls, which means x girls aithe x plus 10 is boys. Average weight of the boys is 50 kg and the average weight of whole class is 45.5 kg. First మనం girls ఎంత ఉన్నారో boys ఎంత ఉన్నారో కనుక్కోవాలి కాబట్టి we have to make it equal. X plus 10 is equal to 100. 2x plus 10 is equal to 100. So x is 90 by 2, which is nothing but 45. మనకి 45 girls ఉన్నారు, 55 boys ఉన్నారు. They have given the average weight of boys is 50 kg. Average weight of boys is 50 kg. Average weight of the whole class is 45.5 kg. So we have to find out the sum of the whole. Sum of the whole would be sum is equal to total number of members into their average. Total numbers is 100 and their average is 45.5. 4550. This is sum of all people. Find out the sum of boys. మొత్తం బాయ్స్ ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు 55. Then we have to multiply it with the average weight of boys, which is nothing but 50. Then we'll get 2750. So ఈ టోటల్ సమ్లోంచి ఇది తీసేస్తే విల్ గెట్ ద గర్ల్స్ వన్. సో గర్ల్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4550 మైనస్ 2750. దిస్ నథింగ్ బట్ 1800. సో ద యావరేజ్ వెయిట్ కనుక్కోవాలంటే వీ హ్యావ్ టు 1800 బై టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ గర్ల్స్ వచ్చేసి 45. దెన్ 9 5s 9 2s 5 4s 40. So So average is 40. Average weight of the girls is 40. So the answer is option 1, 40. Let's move to the next question. So here statements and assumptions question. Statement వచ్చేసి a good book even if costly is sold out in no time. Assumptions వచ్చేసి some books are better than others. All good books are costly. As we can see, ఈ two assumptions కూడా it doesn't make any sense. Statement they have said a good book even if costly is sold out in no time. That doesn't mean some books are better than others or all good books are costly. So answer would be option 3, neither 1 and 2 follows.